Good morning, children. Hi, I am Anita from Gautam English Medium High School. Now, let us start our previous class. Okay, in the previous class, we will start the question and answers. Now, we can write the fill in the blanks. Okay? Yes. Are you ready the question and answers? Okay. Okay. Um, in these blanks will be based on the lesson. That means my family. That's the title of this lesson. Yes. Okay. First, fill in the blanks. That means here some blanks is given. We can write the answers. Dash and dash are my parents. Okay. First one, dash and dash are my parents. Okay. You will say one thing. Who is your parents in your family? How many members are in? For example, 4 members are there. In 4 members, you, your sister or brother, and mother, father. Yes? Sister, not your parent. Your parent means your father and mother. Both are your parents. Okay? First one, father, Father. Father, okay? Father and mother, Mother. Father and mother are my parents. Yes. Your father and mother are your parents. అంటే మన నాన్నగారు అమ్మాయి కదా మన పేరెంట్. So you can write that. Next one. My uncle's children are my. What is the relation between of your uncle's children and you? It's like cousins. Okay. Cousin. Cousins. Cousins. This one also I will explain in lesson. Yes, I will give the relationship chart in parental side and maternal side. Both sides I will give the relationship chart. I will tell you one thing also. We can note down this in your CWs. Okay, just you can read the CW carefully and we can answer it easily. Okay. Next one, a name shared in common is called a. That means we can share a common name. What is that common name? In your surname. Surname. Surname అంటే మన ఇంటి పేరు. We can share అంటే ఒకటే ఇంటి పేరు ఉంటుంది. మీ తాతయ్య గారిది, మీది ఒకటే కదా ఇంటి పేరు ఉంటుంది. We can share a common name is called a surname. ఇంటి పేరు అని చెప్పడాన్ని ఏమంటారు? Surname. Okay. Next one. Father and mother and children make a family. Okay. Make a family. This is also coming from the first topic in this lesson. Okay, what is a family? Who makes a family? Father, mother, and children are making family. Okay, in this one, write CW in one time. Homework 2 times. Okay, read and write. Read and write CW in one time. We can write the blanks in CW in one time and homework 2 times. We will meet in the next class. Okay.